Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the latest powerhouse from Asus, the ProArt P16 2024. If you're a creative professional or just someone who loves top-of-the-line tech, stick around because this laptop is a game-changer. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description, and you can buy this laptop at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So, let's start the video. Let's start with the display. The ProArt P16 boasts a stunning 16-inch 4K OLED display with a 16:10 aspect ratio. This screen is not just about size and resolution. It's about delivering exceptional color accuracy and detail, perfect for video editing, graphic design, and any work where color precision is critical. The OLED technology ensures deep blacks and vibrant colors, making everything look incredibly lifelike. And with that 16:10 aspect ratio, you get more vertical screen real estate, which is great for productivity. Under the hood, the ProArt P16 is powered by the latest AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processors. This means you get top-notch performance with advanced AI capabilities, making multitasking and running intensive applications smoother than ever. And if you need serious graphical power, you can configure this beast with up to an NVIDIA RTX 4070. This is perfect for 3D rendering, video editing, and gaming. You'll be able to tackle any task with ease. Memory and storage? No problem. The ProArt P16 can be equipped with up to 64 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, ensuring you can run multiple applications simultaneously without a hitch. And for storage, you can go up to a whopping 4 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. That's blazing fast storage speeds and plenty of space for all your projects and files. Connectivity is key for any professional, and the ProArt P16 has you covered. It features one USB 4 Type-C, one USB 3.2 Type-C, two USB 3.2 Type-A ports, an audio jack, an SD card slot, and an HDMI 2.1 port. This array of ports ensures you can connect all your peripherals without needing extra dongles. Plus, with a 90 WH battery, you get extended battery life to keep you going through long work sessions. This is essential for those on the go or working on location. Now let's talk design. The ProArt P16 is not just powerful. It's also beautifully crafted. It's slim, lightweight, and has a premium build quality that feels solid and durable. Asus has clearly put a lot of thought into making this laptop not just a tool, but a statement. In summary, the Asus ProArt P16 2024 is a powerhouse designed for professionals who need top-tier performance, exceptional display quality, and versatile connectivity. Whether you're a graphic designer, video editor, 3D artist, or just someone who demands the best from their tech, this laptop is built to deliver. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Asus ProArt P16. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.